Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all missed me. So today I'm recording a shoot day in my life. Obviously you all don't know. So let me give you a bit of context that I have been working as a social media manager post graduation. I have both a full-time job and I've been freelancing as well. So yeah, currently right now I am here for a shoot which is an ad for one of our brands, post which I have to go meet my client as well and get some briefs in and have some conversations. So yeah, that's what my day looks like today, and which is exactly why I am vlogging. Is in recent times, while interviewing for an opportunity, I made a whole 18 minutes uh, video breaking down an assignment of what have been done and everything like that. And I wondered that if I can talk for 18 minutes straight without stopping. Like, just imagine 18 minutes of continuous chopper. Then I think it's very bad of me to, quit my YouTube just out of nowhere and for no reason. So yeah, I thought the first opportunity that I get, I'm going to vlog it this time and hopefully continue. So yeah, that is exactly why I'm vlogging. And I realized that it's all about what you're interested in, what you are confident talking about. Like talking about, okay, today I've come here, this is what is there, मैंने ये खाया, मैंने वो किया. I don't think that interests me that much. But when I made that assignment, I was really passionate about, that assignment and the overall topic of it and the niche. But obviously, मेरी financial stability उस पर depend कर रही थी. But jokes apart, yeah, I was really serious about it, and I thought YouTube also deserves that. I am kinda speaking धीरे से because on shoot locations you cannot scream your way out or talk aloud, because I will attach a video at the end of this clip where there is like a pin drop silence. If a pen drops, you will hear it. वो level का silence है, because other than the actors and the cast, no one is allowed to make a single amount of sound or noise. So that's what shoot days are like. I think we came around 10:30 or 11:15 something. I'm already tired. It's 12:10 only yet. But बहुत धूप है and it's so exhausting. Like, you don't actually have to do something. You just have to, supervise and make sure everything is going smoothly. But that is exhausting too, because basically you don't have a task, but you have a task. You get it yet? So guys, this is our shoot location, and this is just another part of the house. It is so aesthetic. I love it. So we had lunch like around 3 p.m. and अभी तक भी ad ही shoot हो रहा है. उसके बाद we need to take some stills of the product as well, and it's going to take a lot of time. 7 इधर ही बज जाएगी I think. So that's the current update. I'm so tired. I'm just inside the house so that I can charge my phone, and then I'll join back outside. It's 5:35 p.m. Guys, it's 7 p.m. and there's still sunlight. अभी तक अंधेरा नहीं हुआ है. And I'm going down to pick up some things that we need for the shoot. So guys, we are doing a shot with the dog. It is going to be just so cute. I love it. So you guys, I'm finally home. I've freshened up and I'm just going to chill now. It's almost 9 p.m. I'll just have dinner and sleep away because I'm really tired. We literally went around 10. So it is like almost 12 hours that we were on that shoot. And because of that, I couldn't go to the freelancing shoot that I had to go and meet the client. I couldn't because there was no time. We literally left at 9, 8:30, sorry, and reached here by 9. So there was no time. But yeah, it is so hectic and but really fulfilling. I'm so glad I get to live this day. I just hope that I make more of these and document more about my life. And I hope y'all keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.
Told I should go and find myself.